You, Lord, for the weight that I gained this holiday season, because that means that you blessed me enough to make it happen.
Ano yung mga tips mo sa mga pamilya, kaibigan na nagde-deal with people with mental health conditions? Ano yung mga kailangan nilang gawin at tandaan? Telltale signs?
I will base it on my experience.
Yes.
You know your family member eh. Kung
Yes.
kilala mo talaga sila,
Oo.
you know when they're acting weird.
Correct.
So, take note of that. If it happens just one time, baka off day lang.
Correct.
Pero kung may pattern,
Mm-mm.
that's something that you need to watch out for.
Correct.
Be observant to the patterns of your family member or your loved one to see kung may nag-iba ba,
Yes.
or kung may nagte-trigger
Yes,
or
correct.
something. Number 2, patience. Your family should be, or your household should be, your first line of support.
Yeah.
Kasi kung sa sarili mong bahay hindi ka safe
At hinuhusgahan
at
ka.
hinuhusgahan ka, mas lalong lalala yung mental health mo.
Yes.
And I know a lot of people live like that eh. Yung families nila, they are their first bullies. Hindi nakakatulong yun.
Yeah.
Actually, it makes it way worse. Apart from patience, understanding din. Understanding na iba ang mundo sa taong may mental health disorder eh.
Correct.
I don't know if maniniwala yung viewers natin. Parang, talaga, nag-iba ba talaga? Nag-iiba talaga siya. It looks like parang...
A filter.
Yeah, it feels like I'm wearing a veil.
Sorry, sobrang luma po nito, pero yung filter na Mayfair sa
Yeah,
sa Instagram. May filter na, di ba, lumang Instagram, merong filter na Mayfair na parang yung pula.
Yes,
Tapos,
very vibrant, very warm, very bright, na parang, oh my God, it's so nice here talaga. So parang iba talaga yung mundo.
yeah.
Patience,
Patience.
understanding, be observant,
Yeah.
and then
Seek help.
seek help and be there to support.
Yeah.
That's basically all we can ask for. And then look for a professional.
Kung may message ka sa mga taong may pinagdadaanan ngayon, depression or any kind of mental health condition.
You are never alone
Yeah.
because you have people like us.
Yeah.
We're here and we understand you, and whatever you're going through right now is not what will keep you chained down, but it does not define you.
And it should never limit you.
No. Never.
Kasi pwede ka pa rin magtrabaho,
Yes.
pwede ka pa rin mag-function.
Yes.
Kailangan mo lang i-accept kung ano yung binigay sa'yo.
Yes. It is much harder,
Mm-mm.
but again, also, you're never alone. And you have so many people who understand you and who know what it's like when things get so hard.
Ako naniniwala ako na when you understand how God created you, kung paano niya binuo yung utak mo,
Yes.
at inaccept mo na ganito yung gusto ni God eh.
Yeah. Yeah. It's how you were made eh.
This is how I was made.
Yeah.
I will live with it. I will deal with it. Tingin ko, mas maganda nga yung buhay eh.
Yeah.
And I thank the Lord for
Yeah.
making my brain this way. Kasi mas nakikita ko yung ganda ng mundo. Nakikita ko, yes, yung gloomy part ng mundo. Pero
Yeah.
alam ko, nakikita ko rin yung makulay na bahagi ng mundo.
It's both ends eh. And you work with what you have.
Thank you. Thank you, Inka.
Thank you.
for inspiring a lot of people. Everybody thinks parang, cool girl, ganyan. Pero may pinagdadaanan pero kayang labanan.
Yes, always.
Thank you. Thank you very much
Thank
for
you,
sharing
Miss Cara.
your story
Thank
with
you
us.
also.
Thank you. Alam niyo mga kapuso, ang lahat ng bagay, lahat ng solusyon ay nagsisimula sa pakikinig, sa bukas na puso at bukas na isip. Minsan yun lang ang kailangan namin. Kailangan nating lahat. Taong makikinig sa kanila. Salamat po sa inyong pakikinig. Huwag pong maghusga, buksan ng puso, buksan ng isipan. Ako po si Cara David at ito po ang I Listen.